So now when I click this phone number on the inbox view, you can see it opens up my dial pad right away and it starts ringing. Now, obviously we don't want to call this person at this time, so we will hang up on that, but it'll also work. Click to call will also work on the phone numbers in the broker comments as well, or the load comments, right? So if a broker posts their direct line in the comments, when you click on that, it'll also ring. Hi, my name is Alex, and I want to go over click to call for Dispatch Robot. And keep in mind, this only works on the inbox view. If you don't use the inbox view, totally fine. Click to call should be enabled by your browser, or if you're hopefully using the VoIP already. So VoIP is voice over internet protocol. So it's just the phone system, or the phone that rings over the internet, right? So if you're already using a VoIP, your browser should be able to handle that automatically. So for example, if I click on this load, okay, here I get the inbox view. So if we disable the inbox view, and let's say, for example, I click on a load. You see there's a phone number right here, the 601 number. If I click on that, right there, it's ringing through my dial pad. I'm going to hang up real quick because we don't actually want to call on it. Oh, okay, there you go, hang up. So we don't want to actually call on it. But since you are using the inbox view, that's what this was before. If I click on this phone number right now, it doesn't work, right? So how to enable it. So you can click on the number and you can get started, and that'll open this screen. Or on the browser extension in the top right hand corner, you can just click on our icon and then select dial pad. That's what I'm using right now, but I've used AirCall. AirCall is really great too. I haven't used Yealink or GrandStream. These are popular customer requests. So if you are using one that's not on this list, feel free to reach out to us and we can probably set up that integration. But since I am using dial pad, we can select dial pad right now. So you can see we need a user ID and an API key. So dial pad is easy to generate an API key. So I have this, but the user ID is the one where you might have to do a little bit digging. And this isn't specifically a dial pad tutorial. This is just some of the challenges sometimes that can occur of like where to even find this information. So in their API, you want to scroll to users and then you get user list right here. And then you paste your API key. So let me just grab this and throw it into the extension. So select dial pad, select API key, paste that, click save. Okay. And so then and then when you click the button, try it, it gives you the response. And you can see right here under first name, Alex, user ID, right here. Or it just says ID, it doesn't say user ID, but that's the user ID. So we just copy that and click on our extension again, and we paste that in the user ID, and then we click save. All right, so now our click to call is saved. So just by pasting those two things, it should be saved. So now when I click this phone number on the inbox view, you can see it opens up my dial pad right away and it starts ringing. Now, obviously we don't want to call this person at this time, so we will hang up on that. But it'll also work, click to call will also work on the phone numbers in the broker comments as well, or the load comments, right? So if a broker posts their direct line in the comments, when you click on that, it'll also ring.